We had the clouds installed fall of 2022. Before the clouds were installed, it was quite echoey in here when customers were sitting at the bar. Sound bounced around quite a bit, so it was nice having these installed to kind of dampen the sound so you could have a good conversation at the bar without overhearing other conversations happening just next to you. Since the sound clouds were installed, it has improved quite a bit. We're able to communicate with our guests a little bit more easily. If there's a live band playing, it's a lot easier to hear them as well as the person that's just next to you. The sound clouds has helped the staff be able to communicate with the customers a lot better. It makes it a lot easier to approach the guests and to determine exactly what their wants and their needs are. The sound clouds really help to dampen the extra noise. Rigidized is a great company. They put a lot of effort into their products. Excellent craftsmanship, and I really admire the work that they do, the time that they've put into making the sound clouds and putting them up and doing the work that needs to be done. Metal made better.